Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everybody, ladies and gentlemen. In this occasion, I would like to introduce my group. Number 1, Mr. Sutepyo. Number 2, Mr. Hanif. And number 3, Mr. Sutarman. In this occasion, I would like to present my paper about the title Education with paying attention to individual differences. The Soul Learner Students of Inclusion School Case Study. In this case, I divide 4 parts. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, the method. Number 3, the result of the research. Number 4, closing the presentation. Well, number 1, introduction. Everyone has the right to obtain proper education, including the children with special need. For the children with special need are provided special school with the students' need. And turn out that extraordinary school create a gap between children with special need and its environment. To eliminate the exclusive school, the government make a policy on the inclusive school, namely the school makes the normal children with children of special need in one room of learning teaching. This turned out to cause its own problems, namely not all teachers have the competence to teach children with special needs. This study reveals the implementation of Islamic religious education teachers who teach in inclusive school, namely Elementary School District of Pandan Simping, School District Prambanan, Klaten Regency. In School Primer of Pandan Simping, every class has a slow learner children. Then, the Islamic education teacher must pay special attention to the children. Next, about the slow learner children and their characteristic. Who are they? Slow learner of children are children who have low cognitive abilities than the normal children. So it takes longer to understand of the lesson if treated the same as normal children. So learner children are not included on the characteristic of mentally disabled children. So learner children are able to follow the lesson as the normal children with have or special treatment. Next, the IQ of kids slow learners. Usually, they have underdeveloped about intelligence. They have score between 67 and 89. The subnormal children usually they have intelligence score between 90 to 100. Next, treatment of slow learner children. Number 1, separately. Usually, the children is retarded in lesson caused by mental retardation and several other socio-psychological deficiencies. We repeat, in this case, usually these children is retarded in lesson caused by mental retardation and several other socio-psychological deficiencies. Number 2, integrated. The nature and degree of backward learning and academic slowness of the children is not too severe, so that it can be done with students who are general. Next, about the research method of my study. This research is qualitative study. Data were collected by a deep interview with Islamic religious education teacher, slow learner students, and observation of learning implementation. Then, data were analyzed with a grounded theory strategy. Next, about the research result. Teacher perception of Islamic education to children of slow learner. The teacher of elementary school Pandan Simping, they have good perception of slow learner children. They consider that every children has potential for enhancing, so that he will be able to develop properly according to their respective abilities. The result of the research: the learning of Islamic religious education for learner children are as the following. Number one, paying attention to the characteristic of every learner children. What is it? In this case, the teacher give more attention to the special learner children and must understand about the certain characteristic. Number two, simplifying subject matter. In this case, the matter able to make short matter, interesting matter for the children. Number three, simplify language. In this case, the teacher use a simple language that able to understand by the children. Number four, repeat the material. In this case, the teacher always repeat the material to make the children understand about the material. Number five, visualize the material. Teacher not only explain the material, but also give the picture to support the material. Number six, prioritize practice. In this case, teacher giving the important thing practice to the children. And the last, teacher use a variety of media. In this case, not only the media, not only the picture, sometimes the teacher use video to make the learning teaching process interesting. So the children become understand about the material given by the teacher. I think that's all about my presentation. I hope my presentation will be useful for all of us. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.